Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite for you. Aquarius, this is a general energy check-in to see how you guys are doing. So let's begin. Your card goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, before we begin, of course, as usual, we're going to take our angel blessing card to top the reading. See what my angels are going to bless you or advise you with. So my angels, a blessing or an advice for my Aquarius gang, please. Blessing or an advice. Blessing or an advice for Aquarius. This one, thank you. Let's put the rest back. So the card I have for you, Aquarius, is play music. It's time to take a chill pill, Aquarius. Have you been stressed out for too long? Oh my God, excuse me for a second. Okay. So have you been stressing out too much, Aquarius? I think what my angels are trying to say, it's either time to chill out, Aquarius, or if there's something that you're really worrying on. Sometimes the angels, if you're praying for something, the angels do communicate through music. So whenever you're playing music, if you hear a random song which is repeating, or maybe the first 3-4 songs that you on your playlist, try and concentrate on the lyrics. There could be a message there for you, right? So let's begin. Let's see why this card is here for you, Aquarius. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the Omkara family. I'm very blessed to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, as I said, this is going to be a simple 9-card spread to see your energies at this time with your person maybe, and what advice we can get regarding it. So here are 3 cards of advice from the universe. Starting something new, Aquarius. The World card is here. World card normally signifies ending of old chapters and starting new ones. Sometimes it could indicate travel as well. But let's see, we'll get to know now when we open our cards to see why this World card is here and why Spirit is asking you to take a chill pill and play music. So, the first card I have for you, Aquarius, here is the 6 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, 9 of Swords, the Lovers, 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, the Chariot, the Moon card, and the 8 of Cups. Somebody is walking away, maybe shutting down an old chapter, it seems. There's been a bit of problem of equal give and take here, Aquarius. This could be in any aspect of your life, could be a relationship. And just as I say that, I have another World card. We just had it at the bottom of our deck. So there's a lot of old endings and new beginnings coming into your life, Aquarius. So this is really strong for you, the World card right now. The brand new chapter of your life which is starting. But in the past chapter that you have been in conflict with, if you've been fighting, there's been a lot of unrest, a lot of sleepless nights. Sorry, Aquarius, I had a coughing fit. Okay, so I think there's a weather changing, so I got a bit of a cold today. So anyways, what I was saying was, yes, there's a lot of endings and a lot of new beginnings happening here from what I can see, Aquarius. Maybe somebody has not shown their best side to you. Maybe you've been dealing with a person who's not very consistent, who's a bit immature, maybe has third parties or creates conflicts in your life. It hasn't been a balanced kind of a relationship where 2 people are there and each give equally and get equally. So there's been a lot of trouble in that department where there has been unequal give and take. There have been lots of fights. I think you have been thinking about this for some time now, Aquarius. You have been in reflection. You have been thinking about leaving maybe the situation and going to better place in your life. But yes, I do see you with the Nine of Swords energy, still very stressed out, trying to make a decision here. So, Nine of Swords spirit, yes, you can't sleep at night. You're worried, you're thinking, you are stressed out because you feel somebody did the nasty. Maybe they sneaked out on you, or they lied to you, or played games with you. Now, this could be, like I was saying, it could be in a job situation, could be in a relationship, but whatever. This could be work as well, Aquarius, because I do see the Three of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. A lot of Pentacle cards here. But I do see that you have been stressed out about not receiving as much as you have been giving. Somebody has not kind of manned up, or, kind of given you what you deserve or desire. So all this conflict has made you feel pretty worried. Yeah, I mean, I have now two cards of walking away, walking away, walking away. So now you're trying to make a decision, Aquarius, about walking away from the situation altogether, or staying and working it out. I think there is a conflict going on in you. Right now, you are feeling pretty abandoned, left out in the cold, sad, or maybe that's the way you are thinking you are going to leave your partner out on. I doubt it, actually, because of all the stress and worry I see on your end. I don't see you kind of living in happiness. You're actually feeling quite abandoned and left out. Things have really stagnated here, Aquarius. And you want to put an end to all this bickering and fighting which has been going on, right? You want to take action in your own life. You want to have some forward movement. You want to now be victorious. Yes, you want to now not deal with people who can't make up their mind. Maybe there are third party situations here, or maybe somebody is just kind of being egoistic and prideful and holding back from you. I think there is going to be communication regarding this, Aquarius. What's this communication about, Spirit? Eight of Wands. What's this communication about? As I said, this could be a work situation also, Aquarius, because I have the Three of Pentacles here twice. So whatever you've been kind of stressing on, you are trying to manifest some kind of positive communication with that, right? Or if this is a relationship, again, there could be third parties or something which you've been stressed upon, but you are manifesting forward movement for yourself here. Right now, I think things you are feeling are quite stagnant. There are still secrets which have not been revealed to you, Aquarius. So all you can do right now is be here in this at crossroads, planning your future, thinking about the future, trying to make the plans as to what you can do. But I don't think there's any movement that you are making or can make right now, because I see you still in your self-obsessed, self-imposed prison, of being stressed out and not being able to take action. You're still kind of confused. A lot of confusion, a lot of secrets. Maybe this is in a huge organization where things have not been revealed yet to you, or this could be a marriage or a commitment where somebody is keeping secrets from you. So right now you're still kind of evaluate what to do next. You don't feel you have the courage right now maybe to take action. Even though right now, Aquarius, you do heart of hearts feel that things have totally ended, things have come to a total halt. There is a lot of betrayal, according to you, from other people. You would love it if you could get some swift action or some message, and things could be brought back into balance in your life. You don't have to worry, I think, Aquarius, because even though I see you walking away, you're heading straight for the Ten of Pentacles. Justice will be brought to this equation. So, Spirit, why is there Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles? So what is Aquarius walking away from? And you're walking away from all this confusion and lies. Things will be revealed to you, Aquarius, very soon when the justice happens. things will be brought back into balance, and whatever you are, I think what you're going to be walking away from is confusion, right? And you're going to head straight into a happy place, which will be the Ten of Pentacles for you. So what's this Ten of Pentacles for Aquarius spirit? Single, happy, abundant. You really won't need anyone else to kind of, any kind of players or anybody who's not giving you reciprocity. You're not going to need anyone to fulfill you, Aquarius. You are going to finally get the justice you've been waiting for, that news that you have been desperately waiting for. It's coming for you to make you abundant, happy on your own, where you will be able to provide so beautifully for yourself that you will have the Ten of Pentacles. And yes, I see you playing music and having a ball after that. So this is going to be a brand new chapter coming up for you, Aquarius, where all this confusion that you've been in is going to go away very soon. Just bide your time, keep your eyes on the prize. You have been manifesting this for a long time, it seems, right? So don't give up and don't get stuck in this place. Allow movement. Old things are ending, justice is coming. And the news that you've been waiting for is coming, which is going to land you right in the lap of everything that you've desired. Let's see what's universe's message or advice to you. Wheel of Fortune. See, I said luck is on your side now, Aquarius. Luck is on your side. Wheel of Fortune is in your favor, it seems. Seven of Pentacles and the Two of Cups. Why is that here now? Wheel of Fortune, spirit. Okay, one more. I think with this new chapter of your life, Aquarius, that's starting, you are going to be very intuitive, right? So all that love and affection that you were scattering around, I think, to people, undeserving people, where there was no equal give and take, I think you are going to take back all your love and put a lid on that cup of yours and say, I'm going to keep it for myself now. This chapter of my life, I'm no longer going to be, squandering any of my energy to people who don't deserve it. There is a celebration coming for you with this Wheel of Fortune, whatever, some good news where you're going to be feeling in a celebration mood. And yes, play music. All right. So Seven of Pentacles, spirit. Why is the Seven of Pentacles here in reverse? Aquarius, if you have been investing in a lot of areas of your life or people in your life where you have not got reciprocity, right? It's always made you heartbroken because you've always done and never really received. Spirit is saying, don't worry, with this Wheel of Fortune turning in your favor, Aquarius, the Temperance card is here for you. Things are going to be brought back into balance. There's a lot of healing that's coming to your life, Aquarius. So with this new chapter of your life, all this heartbreak, investing in people who don't mean nothing or have done nothing, this unequal give and take is all going to come to an end. And the angel is going to bring your life back into balance. So Two of Cups, spirit. Why is the Two of Cups here? Two of Cups. Two of Cups. If there's been any toxicity, Aquarius, in your relationship till now, if somebody has been kind of not really showing their emotions, I think the feminine energy has her sword up now. Even though this feels like a soulmate connection, there will be communication from this feminine to this masculine. And I do see somebody here not really fighting for this connection anymore or dropping this connection because the Two of Cups is in reverse. So if there has been an unequal dynamic going on in a love relationship here, Aquarius, where somebody was playing games or emotionally manipulating the other person, Aquarius, if this is you, then your feminine is no longer going to take bullshit from you, I'll be honest. Even though, yes, this could be a long relationship, maybe you've known each other for a long time, you were best friends at some time, but now with this new avatar of this feminine, I think she's going to be communicating very clearly that either, you know, you have equal give and take now, or let's call it quits, right? I'll just clarify this once more. Two of Cups for Aquarius. Yeah, somebody wants to be taking charge of their love life. They're going to be a bit defensive where love is concerned. So I think this new cycle that is starting in your life, Aquarius, you are not going to just work for the sake of working or love for the sake of working. This new chapter of your life is going to be based on who deserves what. You're taking charge of every aspect of your life here, right? You're taking your control back. You are going to now protect your interests. You're going to protect yourself, even though you feel a lot of love for everything and anything, I think, but you are going to now be a little discerning. You're going to have your wands and your swords up, and you're going to say that, hey, if you are, either you will give me what I deserve, or I'm no longer dealing with you. Okay, so yes, this new chapter of your life, I think, Aquarius, you are becoming stronger. You are seeing through things that don't deserve your big cup of love that you always have there for everyone. You're taking back your power, taking back control of your own life. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time, love and light. Take care. Namaste.